Since the middle of May, the price of Safemoon V2 has been on an upward trend, with prices reaching as high as 290% above their initial levels, due to the fact that the daily chart is displaying bullish indications and that there is a possibility of a golden crossover occurring. SFM is eligible for a 36% rally within the next few weeks. This is your favorite channel, Crypto Express. Today, we're going to discuss a few statistics and numbers that point to the possibility that the price of SafeMoon could double once more in the not-too-distant future. Market analysts anticipate a bull run in the near future, which means that anyone who buys at the current cheap price will have a great likelihood of generating decent gains. Experts are also optimistic about the SafeMoon coin. We will discuss all that in detail. Also, we'll go over some price predictions in the last scene of this video. Sit tight and don't miss any portion of the video. Also, go ahead and press the like button right now and turn on subscription notifications if you're new. Before proceeding, please note that investing in cryptocurrencies can be risky and lead to a complete loss of capital. If you want to invest in cryptocurrencies, you should do so at your own risk. This video should not be taken as investment advice. Now let's get back into the video. Up until about the start of June, the narrative for Safemoon V2 was startlingly comparable to those of other alternatives currently on the market. As a negative broader market cycle continued, the price continued to fall to new lows, and on May 12th, it hit a new low that hadn't been seen in 4 months. Nevertheless, there was a robust response from the bulls in the market. Since hitting new monthly lows, the price has risen by up to 290% from $0.0002647 to $0.00105. This is the greatest increase seen in the price since January. However, it appears that bullish momentum has slowed following a daily drop of 22% on May 26th. The previous week and a half produced 3 warning candles, and preparations were being made for a 4th one right now. Having said that, there were still a few reasons to remain hopeful despite the situation. To begin with, the placement of the candles indicated that they were above a trend line that was providing support. This indicated that the possibility of SFM's rise continuing was unaffected by the recent downturn. Second, the moving average of the 21 period was getting ready to move ahead of the moving average of the 55-day. The phenomenon that is commonly referred to as a golden crossing is a potent bullish market signal that signifies the beginning of a long-term uptrend. This development typically takes place when the price of an asset crosses over an important moving average. At long last, the daily relative strength index had returned to normal after reaching overbought levels and had maintained ground above 50 to 55. A rating on the relative strength index that is greater than 50 shows that the market is bullish, and this also contributes to the increased number of buy orders. Traders have the opportunity to get into early positions and capitalize on the anticipated price increase, while SFM waits for a critical crossover. At the price of $0.00061, buy orders can be placed, and at $0.001045, traders can cash out their positions. It is possible to set a stop-loss order for $0.005725. The potential trade had a risk-to-reward ratio of 11.6 times its initial investment. So what makes the SafeMoon price go high is the fact that the SafeMoon project is a BEP20 token in reality, and the coin upon which it was constructed is the Binance Smart Chain. Mooning, also known as skyrocketing in price, appears to be the primary objective of the designers, which raises some questions about their motives. The developers behind SafeMoon want to create a revolutionary coin that is unaffected by the valuation bubble burst and that embraces DeFi reflection and farming. Their goal is to accomplish this as quickly as possible. The price of SafeMoon keeps making a comeback from the dead and is getting closer and closer to a key horizontal resistance at $0.0008. In fact, the price of SafeMoon is really running towards the critical horizontal resistance at $0.0008. This is a price at which it is set daily candlestick highs, not just on May 20th, but also during the frenzy of price action that took place on June 1st. The current price action chart for SafeMoon only goes back as far as January 2022, since the SafeMoon contracts were updated on a 1000:1 consolidation during the transition from V1 to V2. This occurred during the process of moving from V1 to V2. This consolidation was undertaken with the intention of reducing the overall number of tokens in circulation while maintaining the value of those tokens. The move to V2, on the other hand, was not well received by the market. As a result, the value of SafeMoon fell from a high of $0.002188 on January 22nd, the second day after the transition, to a low of $0.000287 on May 11th, representing an 88% loss. As a result of this, a lot of people have started to doubt the integrity of the project, and some people have even stated that the cryptocurrency is a scam, just like the one that was pulled by well-known YouTuber Coffeezilla. After that, the price of SafeMoon has begun a bullish turnaround, which has already seen a big relative gain that is 168% higher than it was on May 11th when it was at its lowest point. Since then, the price of SafeMoon has increased by 168% relative to its previous level. The question that needs to be answered in this situation is whether or not the technical analysis of SafeMoon, which has been explained earlier, can be helpful in determining the price action that will occur in the future, or whether or not this cryptocurrency only moves as a result of sudden speculative moves. The explanation for both of these questions is as follows. The price of SafeMoon has finally made its way out of the shadows and back into the midst of the living after a protracted length of time spent there. Since the launch of the second version in December the year before, its price movement has been in a straight downward line, which started coming to an end a week ago. This trend is expected to continue for the foreseeable future. On the other hand, we anticipate that this pattern will carry on for a little bit more. The markets have received a clear signal following a break above the red falling trend line as well as a breach above the 9-day simple moving average. Both of these events occurred simultaneously. This signal will act like a magnet to draw in more investors, which will cause the price to go up to $0.0015, which is a 130% gain. To sum up the whole discussion, after more than tripling over the course of the prior 3 weeks, the price of SafeMoon is exhibiting symptoms of a healthy decline now that it has reached a new high. Because of this retracement, bulls will be able to take a break and get their strength back in time for the next run-up. In general, the SafeMoon token idea is quite fascinating. Its primary objective is to assist buyers in obtaining incentives and to lead sellers to pay a price. SafeMoon continues to be a worthwhile coin to invest in due to the potential for high profits in the future. Because it's a meme coin, the value of an asset can fluctuate wildly from one moment to the next. In addition, the low cost of this option makes it a desirable choice. According to the SafeMoon forecast, the asset may have some usefulness in the future. That was all for this video. Finally, please note that this is an instructional video and does not contain any financial recommendations. When investing, exercise extreme caution. If you enjoyed the video, please share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.